Why choose silicone waterproofing agent for building waterproofing? In modern construction projects, waterproofing is a crucial aspect. The quality of waterproofing directly affects the lifespan of a building, the comfort of living, and maintenance costs. With technological advancements, various waterproofing materials have emerged, and silicone waterproofing agents have gradually become the preferred choice due to their exceptional performance and numerous advantages. This video explores why silicone waterproofing agents are chosen for building waterproofing. 1. Superior waterproof performance. The most significant advantage of silicone waterproofing agents is their superior waterproof performance. They form a robust waterproof membrane on the surface of building materials, effectively preventing water infiltration. This waterproof membrane not only has excellent waterproofing effects, but is also durable, providing long-lasting protection against water damage, whether it's rainwater erosion or groundwater seepage. Silicone waterproofing agents offer a reliable barrier. 2. Excellent weather resistance. Buildings exposed to natural environments must withstand various weather conditions. Silicone waterproofing agents possess outstanding weather resistance, effectively resisting UV rays, rain, and temperature fluctuations. They do not decompose under sunlight or become brittle due to temperature changes. This means that whether in hot summers or cold winters, silicone waterproofing agents maintain their waterproof performance without aging or failing. 3. Perfect combination of breathability and waterproofing. Traditional waterproofing materials often block water vapor while preventing water infiltration, leading to moisture accumulation and affecting the building's lifespan and living comfort. Silicone waterproofing agents are different. They maintain good breathability while being waterproof. Water vapor can freely escape, preventing moisture buildup and protecting building materials from dampness. 4. Long-lasting durability. Silicone waterproofing agents have a very stable chemical nature, making them resistant to decomposition or degradation. This gives them a very long lifespan. One application can maintain waterproof effects for many years, reducing the need for frequent maintenance and replacement. This not only saves costs but also minimizes the impact of construction on the living and working environment. 5. Environmental safety. With growing environmental awareness, choosing eco-friendly and safe building materials has become a trend. Many silicone waterproofing agents are non-toxic and harmless, posing no threat to the environment or human health. They meet modern environmental standards and are considered green building materials. During construction and use, silicone waterproofing agents do not release harmful substances, ensuring the health of construction workers and residents. 6. Easy application. Silicone waterproofing agents are easy to apply, either by brushing, spraying, or rolling. The construction process does not require complex tools or equipment, saving labor and time costs. Even for complex building structures, silicone waterproofing agents can be easily applied to ensure a comprehensive waterproof effect. In conclusion, silicone waterproofing agents have become the ideal choice for building waterproofing. Choosing silicone waterproofing agents not only effectively protects buildings from water damage and extends their lifespan, but also enhances living comfort, reduces maintenance costs, and reflects the high standards and requirements of modern building waterproofing projects.